Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. This is February part 8 for 2025 for STL Patreon for D&D Warhammer Proxies and Figures for your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. Sorry about that. And yeah, all the links we'll be looking at will be down below as well. So we got Bulk Sasar, the 3D prints. They do a lot of lube prints for like D&D, but some of the stuff you can actually use it for Warhammer as well. But some of these you can actually use for Chaos and Slanesh army. Think about it. This was Slanesh army should look like more sexy like and stuff, in my opinion. Because it's supposed to be a Prince of Lust and stuff like that. But it looks like we got demon versions for D&D. We got like Illidan female version, demon hunters as well. So if you know more World of Warcraft and put in your D&D world, that'd be great. Also to summon one of the fell demons. That's kind of cool. So yeah, I do like these a lot. I might print these for myself. I don't know. So yeah, and there's banners and little train pieces as well and bases. Miniatures blueprint. Another D&D one as well. So we getting Shella Elf Ranger, one with mask, one without a mask. I think that'll be it for February preview. TK Labs that are D&D ones as well. So look out some Native American look like. So February we got Terrain, Bust, Samurai Girl, female samurai, and two Native American characters as well. Bruno Art STL. We will be getting, I think they already got it out, stuff. So we got the 1966 Batgirl. We also got Poison Ivy, Jasmine, and Mika from Street Fighter 6. So yeah, so that's your figure ones. Robin Arts Workshop, another very good D&D and also a pinup poster one as well. So this will be this one. So we have a fairy a pinup. I think we got goblins afterwards too. Uh, yep, goblins. We have a goblin warband. I keep hating these little things. We got the broken on riding horse. We have a ranger or a. We have a fighter and a spellcaster. So that's actually pretty cool. Ahab 3D, another figure one as well. For February, this is your February. This is your welcome pack, and your for this one's as well. Electra, we got Tina Armstrong, Blink, Katharina, Donna Troy, and Purgatory, as well as your welcome one as well. Ink Mini, this is for like D&D stuff, and also your other like Roll20 play. They do a lot of Digimon, a lot of video game characters. So we got Skull. What I forgot what this is. Great Skull. I forgot what this God Yu-Gi-Oh character's name was. Or here's your Digimon, your Street Fighter. I did this from Kingdom Hearts. Digimon here. This looks like Ghidorah, but instead of Ghidorah, it is a three-headed dragon with the head of a beholder. That is freaking cool. Your Pokemon looks like a. That looks like Virgil. Do not know what these two characters are. I know these are for Pokemon right here. And this is your welcome pack. Warp miniature. Does they do AD&D style D&D prints? So we have AD&D style dwarven prints if you're interested. Like the old school chainmail minis and so forth as well. Cal 3D Studios. This is another figure. We got Davy Jones. coming up. I think there's eight Edgy of Worms. Oh, let's vote for I want number one. Judge Dredd. I really did not care for Judge Dredd at all. And the best one probably would be number one. Agita. I never watched the movie nor read the manga for this. I did number four. And Luna from Marvel Rivals. I'll do three. And we got Cleopatra that we're probably gonna look at. I don't want to paint that, so I'm gonna do five. Okay, we also got Burks and Obelix from the freaking original Blizzard game. I forgot what it's called. Um, we got our Shadow Lady from World of Warcraft. Soifun, very sexy. Grace and Strength. Never watched it. I think it's Road to El Dorado. I never watched the movie. This one is Agile Warrior. This is Trigon, Ash Van Steve. I like the older one. The newer one, I try watching. I just cannot. We got the fairy. The older one, the newer one, it just wasn't that great. I think this is Red. That doesn't really have the name for it. And this is Gwen as in Venom. Venom. But yeah, I think that's it for February. We got Apollo, but that's pretty much it. Station Forge. This is another proxy for Warhammer. So we have a big ass orc, your goblinoids, anyone with mask and stuff. Voltan flying. That's not Voltan. Voldelites flying throne. This probably gonna be part of some other Imperial stuff. There's your Imperials. Your Connoisseur. Port Watch. Got them as well. And you get a lot more throughout the week as well. Just like this. There's a lot. I mean, there's always a lot of them. Moid. This is another for BattleTech. This looks like a Doom guy bot, and some Voltans I see proxies for. So we got the this one comes a lot of pieces. Just letting you guys know. Ray 602's here, so that's actually pretty cool. It's very cool looking. I built some, painted some myself. It's just Man, there's just so many damn pieces. That's one thing I don't like about a lot of stuff like people make, like Warhammer proxies, just comes with so many damn pieces. I'm like, do I really want to glue them? I have a freaking angry time building from freaking boxes too. So yeah, check Boyd out. Dams of Imagination, another Warhammer proxy. I think another Chaos, I believe. Uh, some more Slanesh would be nice. I think we're getting more Slanesh, so yeah, Slanesh. We're getting more Slanesh ones as well. These feels like Nurgle pieces right here, but yeah, this is probably what I need for my army. Start building my Slanesh army. GM 3D. For this, we got Chell, big old busty Chell, and we got Farron, as well as wearing 2B uniform. D Manu 3D. We have, I think this is what they're doing. Some demon girl. They're trying to put up for it if it loads. There we go. That they're gonna put up for this month. I think this one will be the last one. Arcane Workshop. And then we're getting Kobolds this February release. No Kobolds. Sins of the Faithful. Mostly like Grim. Fighter. Some guy wearing a sad sun mask and one covering up a mask. And another knight riding a horse in different poses. That's actually pretty cool with a shield with a thing. But anyhow, go check them out. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our page in Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.